Hello, this is John with Data Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over labor categories. Labor categories is just a reporting category group that you can create. It allows you to see fixed hourly cost if same fixed hourly cost rate. So to do this, you go to hrpos.heartland.us, go to your menu icon here at the top left, go to Location Setup, and then labor categories. The other place you see it is here in job types. Go and do a job here. You've got labor categories here. You need to read up more on it. There's the question mark here. Shows you kind of what it's for. So if we go to job types, the add new will be here in the middle. Once you create one, the add new will be up here at the top. Now I just kept it simple and created two categories and just did front of house and back of house. Sure, you can come up with more creative ways to use this. I just kind of threw these in here. So I'll go into the front of house. You can see what that looks like. You give it a name, and then you give it an hourly fixed cost. And then you just assign the job types to it. That's it. That's all there is to it. So again, if you don't know this already, the eyeballs are shortcuts. So it'll shortcut you to the bartender job type instead of having to click over here on job type and click on bartender. And of course, you got the trash can that will delete it. So I've got that for front of house, and I got back of house. A couple job types in here as well. Of course, if you want to select another job type to add it there. Now, if we go back up here to the menu and go to reports, you can kind of see what report this is on. Go to the labor summary report. And then if let's change a date range here. Let's do just last month. Now this is just a demo testing site that I'm on here, so it's not real information. It's kind of phony. But under here, under job totals, is where you see your labor categories broken down. So it'll show you your fixed cost versus your total cost, et cetera. It's just a way to kind of group things together if you wanted to see it as a group. But anyway, I hope that was helpful. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.